Good morning, good morning, student. Today we are going to study a new case that is called hidden goodwill. Hidden means that is not hidden. In this situation, what you observe that a new partner name is Javier. Javier as a new partner 1/4 share of profit. Javier brings 1,60,000 as his share of capital, but unable to bring goodwill in cash. So in this type of question, you have to calculate total goodwill of the firm. It is mentioned here, calculated on the basis of Javier's shares in the profit and capital contributed by him. It means whatever the capital contributed by Javier, that is 1,60,000, and the share is that 1/4. You just first calculate on the basis of the total capital of the firm. My dear student, we have to do first working note. What is the working note here? You just see total capital of the firm. Just say working note of Javier capital. Javier capital is equal to 1,60,000. Okay, 1,60,000. That is total. Javier's capital 1,60,000, and Javier's share is, share means share of profit is equal to 1/4. So on the basis of Javier's capital, on the basis of Javier's share and Javier's capital, total capital of the firm is equal to reciprocal of Javier's share 1/4, that is 4/1, multiply capital contributed by him. What is this? That is 3,20,000 rupees. Do you understand why it is 3,20,000? No, not at 3,20,000, that is 6,40,000. 6,40,000. So you do 6,40,000 and write down here R capital plus S capital plus Javier capital. Okay, what is the total capital? R capital is 1,60,000 and 1,20,000 of S capital. So you put it here, 1,60,000 plus 1,20,000, and Javier capital is 1,60,000. So sum of what is the value? That is the value is total is 4,40,000. Okay, 4,40,000. 4,40,000 is the total capital of R, S and Javier capital. So you find out it is called the combined capital of R, S and Javier. So next you have to goodwill of the firm. Goodwill of the firm is equal to 6,40,000 minus 4,40,000 is equal to 2 lakh. It is the goodwill of the firm. So you have to calculate Javier's share of goodwill is equal to 1 by 4th multiply, because in the question JBR share is 1 by 4th, 1 by 4th multiply total goodwill of the firm, that is 2 lakh rupees. So 50,000 is the JBR share. My dear student, after that this working note you have to do what? Journal entry. So I am going to erase this one. You put it the journal entry. You put, I think you have to already record it. Journal entry. So again I am telling, for the journal entry you have to draw the margin. Okay. Date, particular, debit, credit, amount you have to record. The first journal entry is that bank account debited. You can also write cash bank account debited to JBR share of capital. You have to write down JBR's capital. Okay, JBR's capital. What is JBR capital? In this question it is already mentioned that 1,60,000. Okay, so you put it here 1,60,000, 1,60,000. Okay, the next entry which is going to for goodwill. But in this question, JBR is unable to bring goodwill in the cash. So, did you remember? Unable means you have to open current account. So, you mention here date also 1st April 2019. 1st 2019. So, you write down JBR's current account. JBR's current account debited to R capital account, S capital account. So total goodwill bought by JBR is 1,50,000. So in this question there is no any old ratios given. So there is no old ratios given, only new profit sharing ratio of JBR is given. So this 50,000 is going to distribute equally. Equally why? Because there is no profit sharing ratio. So whatever you have observed in this question, you have to calculate total goodwill, that is 2 lakh rupees, that is working note, and JBR share is 2 lakh multiply 1 by 4th, that is 50,000, RS, R share, S share 50,000 multiply 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 25,000, 25,000. So my dear student, this is the topic of hidden goodwill. In this hidden goodwill, you have to observe with the help of the question, when there is no goodwill is given in the question, you have to find out the total goodwill of the firm. The total goodwill of the firm is calculated on the basis of what? On the basis of JBR shares of profit and JBR share of capital. So JBR share of profit is already given in the question, 1 by 4th and 1,60,000. So just you have to find out the total capital of the firm. We have already done this thing. So it is a journal entry. Keep remember, JBL only bring capital of the firm, that is 1,60,000. JBL is unable to bring goodwill in the form of cash. So we have to show the current account of JBL, that is 50,000, and distribute this profit 50,000 among 1:1, that is called equal ratio. So in this question you have to able to understand, my dear student, the topic hidden goodwill. It is very important, so kindly read the question very carefully where the goodwill amount is given or not. So thank you, my dear student, hope you understand well.